So, hey everybody and welcome back. Yes, it's my crazy hair days. Yeah. So today, I didn't really have anything planned at first, but Mary was a little too quiet earlier. And by that I mean by for 1 minute, she was too quiet. She's usually hitting her legs on the wall, on the dresser, or running around, squealing, crying. There's some kind of noise coming from her. But she was really quiet for 1 minute, and I was like, what is she doing? What is she getting into? So I went into the bedroom, and funny enough, the door was left open this morning. We have a screen, but it was left open. And I don't leave the door open anymore because she likes to open the screen and go outside. Yeah, all by herself. Which would totally be fine if we had like maybe a fenced in yard or something. But no. I have a little porch here, and the railing, as you have seen before, it has like vacancies in them to where she could technically fall out. Yeah. But I came into the bedroom and I see this. Oh my gosh. She literally broke through the screen to get outside rather than opening the door. Yeah. Which brings me outside, and I'm gonna have to repair it. Luckily, she hasn't put an actual hole into the screen, so it's an easy repair, and I am going to use my handy dandy tweezers. You can use screwdriver too, but it's super easy to fix. Let me show you. So if you see here, there's this little pipe that's come out, and this is the screen, and it fits into this groove. So you just push this in, and then you push the pipe in, but you have to push it in really far. So like you just you could use this side or this side, and push it in, and push it in, push it in. Yeah, so it's super easy, and I don't know how long it will take me, but yeah, it's super easy. Thank goodness. For those of you that have screens at home, are your screens easy to fix like this as well? Or are they a little harder? Sometimes they're not as easy to fix as this. Sometimes you have to replace the whole door, or just get a whole new screen. Yeah. and I have pulled it too tight. But I don't see any bugs getting in through that. So at least that's all nice and fixed now. Don't have to worry about that tonight when we go to bed. But yeah, not much planned for today. Since Mary's sleeping right now, she's taking her nap. She's gradually changing to an afternoon nap, which is nice because that means we can go out and do things in the morning, and then in the afternoon she'll take a nap. But yeah, so when she wakes up, I'm hoping I'll get to make my cake that I want to make, but I'm not sure if that will happen. It just all depends on her, like, not how long she sleeps, but how demanding she is of my attention when she wakes up. So yeah, so Mary is cooperating for the most part, and I have already started my cake. I have just made the crust. I have just made a chocolate crust out of Oreo cookies. I blended them, added some butter, and now it's baking in the oven. Yeah, and now on to the main part of the cake. It's more of a pie, I think, than a cake, but yeah. So yes, today's pie is another whipped pie from cream. I love these kinds of pies, or cakes, whatever you want to call them, because they're just so easy, delicious, and in the summertime they're perfect because they're cold. So you can't really go wrong with that. So for today's pie, we are going to be adding hot chocolate to it. Yes, I'm kind of excited. It's actually called a hot chocolate cake. But yeah, and I don't have easy access to the Swiss Miss stuff, so I actually had to buy some like Japanese kind of thing, and I'm actually going to use the Van Halen cocoa. And yeah, I have mixed reviews about Van Halen, but yeah, we'll see how it goes and if it tastes like hot chocolate at the end, because I love hot chocolate, and putting it into a pie, why not? Yes, yes, yes. So I really just want to taste test it as it is, and I don't really taste hot chocolate out of it. It kind of just tastes like chocolate mousse, which I'm okay with, but I was kind of hoping for more of like a hot chocolate flavor. But yeah, so I actually had to wait a little bit for my crust here to completely cool down, because if it's not cool, it's just going to melt the whipped cream that you pretty much just made. So yeah, I even put it in the fridge to help it along. So let's put that in there. We are supposed to make a marshmallow and put it on top. Yeah. I did have some extra marshmallow fluff, so I'm going to use that. It's not a lot. It's maybe only half of this, like, small thing. Yeah. So it's not gonna make a big thick layer like it's you're supposed to make this huge marshmallow fluff thing on top, and yeah, that's not gonna happen. But that's okay because it doesn't need to be super sweet for me. Yeah, so let's put that on. I'm actually gonna heat it in the microwave for like 20 seconds just to make it pliable because it's really hard to work with otherwise. It does kind of look a little pitiful with that marshmallow on it, but yeah. So here's what mine looks like. It kind of looks good. Yeah, we'll see how it tastes. Yeah, it just tastes like chocolate mousse pie. Can you hear the thunderstorm? It's really loud today. But oh my gosh. Yeah, it's really good. I could probably not have the marshmallow on it and it'd be even better actually. But it's still good. It's not like it's bad because of the marshmallow. Well guys, it is bedtime. And yeah, I hope you guys liked today's vlog, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!